Good morning. Kfir, surface integrity. I want to show you a bathtub that is about to get an eco casting treatment. Check this out. So this is a bathtub in a rental apartment. As you can see, there's a few things here that really makes it look bad. First of all, the caulking line is really moldy, cracking. See? Other than this, the bathtub itself is very stained. It's dull. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's really there's no shine to the tub. The only shine left is a little bit on the ledge, and that's pretty understandable because usually the ledge gets the least amount of water on it and the least amount of chemicals and detergents. The bathtub structurally is in good shape. The only issue I see here is around the drain. It's rusty, and the reason is because, as you can see, the faucet is dripping. Drip, 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 drip. That's it. It's dripping constantly, so there's always water around the drain. That makes that creates the that's basically exposing the metal under the porcelain, and it creates all the rust. We're gonna take care of all of those issues and cast this bathtub. All right, it's a cast iron bathtub, by the way. Okay, so we're finishing here this bathtub for this morning. Cast iron bathtub, not much to say. You know, the usual age damages, wear and tear, very typical for this age of bathtubs. Check this out, how beautiful, clean, glossy, shiny, brand new this bathtub is. There you go.